Hey, good morning everybody. I'm on the train right now from Futian Station to Shenzhen North Station. This is probably one of the shortest high-speed train rides in China. Definitely the shortest one I've ever done. I think there might be a shorter one in like Guiyang or something, or bigger cities where it stops from one of the city station to another. But anyways, today I'm going to show you how to transfer at a Chinese high-speed rail station, because I know when some people come over here to travel, they might have some instances arise where they'll need to transfer, and I hope they can watch this video just to see how to do it. It is relatively simple, but either way I'll show you today how to do it once you get to the station where you need to transfer. So once we get there, I'll give you guys a show. Hey guys, it's a little loud here, so I'm just going to try to show you. But when you get out of the train's right there. You'll see some signs for transfer. So here at Shenzhen North, you'll need to go up the stairs to transfer. So I'm just going to go over here to the escalator because I don't feel like walking upstairs right now. And then once we get to the top, I'll give you guys more of a show when it gets quieter. So yeah, we just made it up the escalator. And there's these big general signs right here, and you can see transfer, and it's pointing to the right. And actually where I came up, right there's the transfer hall, which is really convenient. It probably won't be this easy in most stations. It just happened to be like that this morning just because where my platform was, it was right here. But yeah, we're going to go through here. There should be one more like ticket check. Yeah, it's right up here. And then we'll be back in, not back in, but then we'll be into Shenzhen North Station to wait for the connecting train. Hey everybody, so I made it to my transfer platform here at Shenzhen North Station. I hope y'all enjoyed this video showing you how to do a transfer at a high-speed rail station here, and I'll see y'all next time.